Thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout. No trade recommendations, no trade signals, not selling indicators. This is just my trade journal. We've got price action order flow levels Friday, July 14th, 2023, and we are ending the best 2 weeks for the stock market in the season. As you can see here, I've got a 24-hour chart. The gold upper Bollinger Band has been tagged twice. The third little bar just under it right now is where we are on Friday Globex. So let's go into the charts a little more in depth. Let's explore the price action imbalances, draws on liquidity and order flow levels. 22-23 highs for the year on the left for NASDAQ. In the middle, the S&P, same thing. And then the dollar, we've got more than a year lows. We broke the 100 here, and you can see here the dollar. So bottom line, if the dollar wasn't this low, I don't believe the equity indexes would be this high, but that's the nature of the relationships. Dollar down, equity index is up. So just want to bring the attention to the journal on this. The equity indexes, you see this gap between Thursday and Wednesday. So that's considerable, and that comes in at 45.07. So that's a volume imbalance gap. So the NASDAQ 100 has that same thing here. I wanted to get a 1 hour chart up here and just see the ramp all the way from the CPI pre-Wednesday CPI release all the way to this high. This was the Thursday PM high in the afternoon, 45.51.25. And you can see on the left, this is a liquidity void. And this is back to April 2022, where we had a liquidity void inefficiency gap. And so the price pretty much filled beyond the 50% of this gap with that PM Thursday high. And here's where the consolidation range is right here. So we've got a lot of hours of Europe, and we're just at the New York midnight open, and that's where price is right now. And London is down here, 45.36.75. Below it, we have July 13th open for the RTH, and then below that, this light purple, that is the opening range gap that occurred from RTH open Thursday from RTH close Wednesday, and it takes out the Globex in between, and it just shows that big price gap really didn't come back after the open and reprice. And then this daily fair value gap. This was pretty much the seasonality call. We knew we were going to have a good 2 weeks. This is the season to do it. What comes next is earnings. Earnings will be deep into the next few weeks. We'll see how companies' earnings impact the prices, but of course we're at record highs for the year, and this 1 hour chart just outlines the levels. So just to recap, I'm going to watch last evening's 7:13 p.m. high level, and I'm going to watch the open here, and the open was 45.26 for RTH Thursday. Let's go to the Renko, see what's happening there. Renko chart, upper blue is currently 45.55, and we've got this thing at the red at 45.31, and lower blue comes in at 45.07. And what's price been doing? Thursday, it didn't even touch the red, and we stayed green on the HAMA all the way till the end. And when we hit that PM high in the RTH late afternoon with a delta of 203, notice how we pierced the upper blue. Now, the day before Thursday, Wednesday, we were just riding this upper blue, but this time we only pierced it and rode it for several minutes into the close. And right now we're just camping out. So ramp, camp, and it looks like Friday we don't look like for any catalyst to make it go down. But I just want to point out that lower blue has a confluence level at 45.07, which matches that daily volume imbalance gap I talked about on the hourly chart. So that's it for the rank. It's a trend, 2 days. The bulls pretty much had their way, and they smashed the bears to smithereens. And basically, there's no trade for me. There's no setup, but I'm going to give the RTH first 90 minutes a chance to see if there's anything I like. Anyway, that's it. I appreciate you guys for watching, and thanks again. Shout out to the loyal subscribers. Aloha. Take care. Bye.